Hello everyone, this is Bradley and welcome to Crypto Daily, a roundup of all things blockchain happening every day of the week. Today is Thursday, the 12th of May, 2022. Let's get into it. So, new data from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics pointed out that US inflation hit 8.3% in April, down from a peak of 8.5% the month before, but still vastly above expectations. Over the last 12 months, the All Items Index increased 8.3% before seasonal adjustment, the announcement said, adding that price increases for shelter, food, airline fares, and new vehicles were among the largest contributors. The market's expectation was that inflation would come at 8.1% in April, down from 8.5% in March. So, right after the release, a sharp and short-lived correction across the entire crypto market started. Following the report, Bitcoin dived to almost $29,300, while Ethereum tested the 2,165 support level. Now, German taxpayers who sell their Bitcoin or Ethereum after a year of holding them will be exempt from paying taxes, according to a crypto tax interpretation from the German Ministry of Finance. Also, spot trading volumes on centralized exchanges increased by 6.89% to $1.73 trillion in April, with a daily maximum of $80.3 billion traded on April the 1st. This is according to a report from the digital asset data provider CryptoCompare. Crypto intelligence firm Chainalysis has secured $170 million in a Series F funding round led by sovereign wealth fund GIC, the information reported. The company's valuation now stands at $8.6 billion following said round. Media company Town Square Media revealed in a filing with the SEC that they invested around $5 million in Bitcoin during the first quarter of this year. How's that going for you, Town Square? Investment firm HiveMind and blockchain project Algorand announced the acquisition of music platform Napster. They added that further details will follow, so we've got them to look forward to. Web3 community creation tool Highlight has raised $11 million in a seed funding round led by Hound Ventures at an undisclosed valuation. The project effectively enables users to build a community on the blockchain complete with their own NFTs without extensive technical knowledge. Web3 development platform Moralis confirmed that it has raised $40 million in a Series A funding round. And finally, Nigeria and Kenya-based crypto exchange Mara announced that it has raised $23 million in a round led by Distributed Global, FTX, Coinbase, and others. Internet company The9 Limited recently announced that its wholly owned subsidiary NBTC and Kyrgyzstan enterprise Solarcoin have entered into a purchase agreement for a blockchain computing center in Kyrgyzstan. The construction work is set to be completed and the rigs up and running by the end of July 2022, they added. Riot Blockchain reported a first quarter revenue of $79.8 million, which is up 244% from the quarter a year ago, with 1,405 Bitcoin mined during the whole of Q1 2022. In the same quarter, they also increased mining revenue by 150% to a record of $57.9 million, which is compared to $23.2 million for the same three-month period in 2021. CleanSpark reported a fiscal second quarter revenue of $41.6 million. The quarterly revenue rose fourfold compared to the same period last year from $8.1 million, while the adjusted EBITDA in 2021 was $1.9 million. So, the international body, the Financial Stability Board, is well placed to design a global regulatory framework for crypto assets. This is something that its chair, Klaas Knot, said at the annual meeting of the International Swaps and Derivatives Association in Madrid. It wouldn't have to start from scratch, he said, and would first consider the existing laws that already apply to crypto. Coinbase have halted their trading service in India because of informal pressure from the Reserve Bank of India, the crypto exchange's CEO said in an earnings call. Brian Armstrong added that while they'd be interested in finding out whether they were in violation of the Supreme Court ruling, crypto just can't be banned. So their focus is still on working with the central bank and relaunching. DeFi trading and staking protocol Bancor BNT recently announced the launch of Bancor 3, which has new features meant to provide easier staking for users. Well anyway, that's it for your daily roundup, and remember we post news every single day of the week on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you're always up to date with everything crypto, and I'll see you tomorrow.